Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Apple TV 2021. Here are its features: an all-new Siri Remote, innovative color balance technology, and high frame rate HDR deliver the best entertainment experience at home. Apple TV 4K now supports high frame rate HDR and Dolby Vision video, enabling fast-moving action at 60 frames per second to play more smoothly and appear more lifelike than ever before. Through an innovative color balance process, Apple TV works with iPhone and its advanced sensors to improve a television's picture quality. Apple TV uses the light sensor in iPhone to compare the color balance to the industry standard specifications used by cinematographers worldwide. Let's see how to adjust color balance. The all-new Siri Remote features an innovative clickpad control that offers 5-way navigation for better accuracy. Apple TV 4K can be used as a home hub to control HomeKit accessories, and allows customers to view HomeKit video cameras and doorbell notifications on the television screen. Apple TV 4K runs tvOS, the most powerful TV operating system, offering a truly unique experience. Its tight integration with Apple devices and services gives everyone in the family a range of entertainment to enjoy from the comfort of their living room. Apple Fitness Plus on Apple TV 4K brings studio-style workouts to customers in the comfort of their own homes, featuring a team of some of the world's most welcoming trainers across 10 different workout types. Apple Music on Apple TV 4K turns the living room into a concert hall, offering multi-room audio and time-synced lyrics for millions of songs. With multi-user support on Apple TV 4K, family members can enjoy their own personalized recommendations for shows, movies, and music, access their purchased apps in the App Store, or play games on Apple Arcade.